Today Lenovo Z5s unboxing. Box front Lenovo Z5s logo here. Inside phone and AC adapter and USB cable here, no headphone. Cost retail unit. Let's look Lenovo Z5s side by side. First display. The smartphone sports a 6.3-inch 22.6% screen-to-body ratio. The screen sports a dewdrop design notch on top and bottom. Thin bezels, it's not bad. Let's look backside. Lenovo Z5s features triple rear cameras and fingerprint. Lenovo logo. Camera combination of 16MP primary camera with f/1.8 aperture, 8MP secondary camera, and a 5MP third camera. The front camera is 16MP with f/2.0 aperture. Lenovo Z5s, after much anticipation, was unveiled on Tuesday. The smartphone is the Chinese company's latest premium mid-range offering, and has several highlight features including a gradient color design, a water drop shaped display, a triple rear camera setup, the Snapdragon 710 SoC, as well as game turbo technology meant to enable long gaming sessions without heating up the phone. Lenovo at its Beijing event announced the release date of the Lenovo Z5s, in addition to its price. The Lenovo Z5s launch also saw the unveiling of two other. The device is powered by 2.2 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 710 processor coupled with Adreno 616 GPU. It supports expandable storage up to 256 GB via a hybrid microSD card slot. It runs the company's ZUI 10, which is based on Android Oreo and supports dual SIM card slots. The battery is 3,300 mAh. Let's look camera. The triple rear camera setup includes one 16-megapixel main sensor with 6P lens and f/1.8 aperture, an 8-megapixel camera as the secondary sensor, and a 5-megapixel camera as the third sensor. Let's watch camera samples.